Hey everyone, Wednesday is trending online, and the thing is another fan favorite. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the Wednesday thing effect. No filming, no editing needed. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, download HitPaw Edimakor. You'll find the official download link in the description below. Step 2. Create the thing image. Once you're inside Edimakor, click AI Image, then choose Image Generator. Enable Reference Image, select the Google Nano Banana Pro model, and upload your image. Next, type in the magic prompt. I've included it in the description, so feel free to copy and use it. Set your resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity, then hit Generate, and boom, your image is ready. Perfect. Step 3. Turn the thing image into a video. Now, right-click the image and select Image to Video. Choose the Google Veo 3.1 Fast model. I've also prepared the video prompt for you. Just paste it into the prompt box. Set the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, then click Generate. Let's take a look at the final result. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.